Hi, Craig from Total Parts Plus here, and today we have a Holden VE Commodore. This particular model Commodore ran from the 8th month 09 through to the 4th month 13. It has a 3 litre V6 LFW engine code and automatic transmission. It's a 3 litre V6 LFW. The way to find out what type of engine you have in a Commodore is on this little chrome plate down behind the airbox. You can see just down the bottom there, LFW, transmission is MYB. Has FE2 suspension, which is sport suspension. Got a tidy looking right front guard. Other than that little bit of damage just above where the headlight would sit. It'll probably suit private. It's a set of 4 16-inch alloy wheels. Right hand electric door mirror. Both right hand doors appear to be in good condition with no noticeable damage. Good right hand tail light. That's a nice tidy sensor type rear bar with an Omega. Left hand rear tail light. Nice clean boot lid, non-spoiler type. Both left hand doors appear to be in good condition, no noticeable damage there. Good left hand door mirror, electric type, non-puddle light. Puddle light is the light that's underneath the mirror. This VE has a grey cloth interior. It also has a complete airbag kit. Dual zone controls. Automatic transmission. This one came with an owner's manual in a dealer case. Great seats. If you have any part inquiries about this Commodore, the stock reference number is 2703C. We ship parts Australia-wide daily. We also have warranty options on many of our parts. Just ask our friendly sales staff when ordering. We also have a website, totalpartsplus.com.au. We have a search parts now option, and we also have car catalogues you can view. Our eBay store is Total Parts Plus One. We also use social media like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, so jump on there and give us a like or a follow. Or you can just drop by our Coopers Plains warehouse and say hello to one of our friendly sales staff. We'd like to thank you for watching our video today.